Money, money, money. Everybody needs money 24 by 7. Anytime you want money. Do you know what is the importance of money? Yes, life cannot be lived without money. So, money is the only energy that you have been waiting for, but you have tried manifestation, you have tried yogas, you have tried meditation, you have tried many things to do it, and then you found nothing. Why? Do you know why? I know about it. Let me tell you. I'm the energy healer who can tell you you need to change your energy. Until you get eligibility, you will not be able to get the abundance you want in your life that you have been waiting for. Desire will not make your dream come true. You need to make things happen. And how this will happen to you? Energy change. You need an energy change, you need an energy exchange, and then the energy of money will come to you as a magnet. Become yourself as a money magnet so that energy flow to you. And I know the code how you can do that. An energy healer, this is Sushil Sharma, can make a change in your life if you're ready for this. Do you want money? Then click on the link below so that we can help you and go together to the way of abundance and success in your life. Thank you.